ravepubs.com/InfoComm for all your InfoComm news.
Hi, this is Gary Kay. Obviously, we're at the HP booth, HP Poly, I should say, booth here at InfoComm 2026. I'm here with Greg Baribault, who's the VP of Products and
Portfolio.
Portfolio. There you go. And anyway, we're going to actually try to do a booth tour. You've got a very busy booth, so we're going to do our best. But you'll kind of get a feel for how busy it is here at the show floor. We're about halfway through the second day. So tell me, why don't you kind of explain the positioning of Poly compared to everything else out there in collaboration?
So one of the big benefits we've had with the acquisition of Poly by HP was a deep integration with the rest of HP's business and all of the trust and customer that we have in the print PC part of the business. And now our goal is to tie all that together. And actually this experience that we're standing in front of is the first, and I think maybe the best example of that. WXP is an HP solution for workforce experience management. And it's designed to get those insights about are people being productive, impactful in their day-to-day work.
Yeah.
It actually just was named leader in Gartner's Magic Quadrant. So we have now taken Poly, the Poly Lens management experience that we use for all of our Poly systems, and integrated that deeply into WXP. So one solution, one pane of glass, manage the entire collaboration estate.
Yeah, congratulations on the Gartner recognition.
Thanks.
So where are we going to go? How are we going to do this tour?
So we're going to start, we'll start with WXP.
All right, you describe
it a little
right.
bit. So WXP is, of course, about managing that workforce experience, getting insights. One of the things we just integrated is a tool we call Visualizer AI, and it really lets you understand the utilization of a conference room space and to set it up in the best way to capture every part of that conversation. So what you do, simply walk into the room, take a few photos, upload that to the service. Using AI, we understand what those photos represent, chairs, tables, screens, windows, and fully map that space for you. So now you know a camera, maybe you put in a Poly X52, how far is that going to reach? How much audio am I going to need? Do I need accessory
And that's all
microphones?
automated.
It's all automatic. Yeah, so really, really elegant solution for space planning and then deployment, and then you fall into management, you get the full management experience.
All in the same suite.
One pane of glass.
Yeah, very nice. All right, excellent.
So we'll go from here to our conference room systems.
Visualizer AI here.
Oh yeah, okay.
Just do like a quick little, Marty will show you.
So you'll see what Marty's doing here is actually manipulating that space in 3D. This originated as a set of photos that the integrator took just around that space and automatically detected the chairs, the tables, the screens, etc. You can see from every dimension. You can also tap on the devices like he's doing here and show the cone, like where exactly will that lens focus.
The field of view.
Yep, field of view of the camera. You see it coming out there. It'll also show you the audio pickup.
So the idea here is to play with different models and depending on what your pickup pattern what you want it to be.
Exactly.
You can select your product based on that, and you actually visualize it and see it what it's ultimately going to look like in the room too.
Exactly. Yep.
Yeah.
It's a really nice example of the integration with workforce experience.
Yeah, very nice. I did not know you had that. That's phenomenal. Oh, okay, that makes sense. It's brand new.
So we'll head around to, I'm going to grab one of our room computes. So this is one of our two big room compute announcements. So these are for those Windows-powered rooms on Teams and Zoom. Very integrator-friendly solution, uses a magnetic backplane, so you can wire it up, just snap it onto the wall. If you have any issues you want to service, you can just pop it right off the wall. Ports are all color-coded. We have dual NIC, so we can support direct connection for the console. HDMI ingest built right in. These are based on a Core U7 and a Core U5 processor with an onboard NPU. So we've got a 50 TOPS NPU on that system. So we can start to really bring those AI processing workloads down to the edge. So things like Director AI, multi-camera solutions, process right on the box. No need for the cloud. So these are announced today as well. And then we'll jump to our more personal experiences, our headset portfolio. Thank you. So we call this solution our PolyFocus 6. This is a designed for hybrid meetings. It's first designed to look great on camera. It's really an interesting design that is meant to be very comfortable, lightweight, but not have those big arcs around your head where you can give a background, fake background or blurred. A lot of people can just see.
Yeah, it disappears. Yeah.
This thing fits right to your head. Super comfortable, really nice. It's built, of course, for audio and being in mind. So foldable boom mic, very discreetly folds away. You can wear that on an airplane and look great just listening to music. We designed it also for sustainability. So we've got magnetically attached ear pads. Just pop off and on super easily. And you can also change wearing style. So if you prefer an over-ear instead of an on-ear,
you can change that.
We've got those available too. This device is also one of the foldables. We have a non-foldable and foldable. So that'll pack up, drop right in your bag for taking on a plane.
Yeah, very nice.
Replaceable battery, just an amazing microphone. So that's our newest polyfocus.
And the battery is chargeable as well, I'm assuming, right? It's a USB-C.
We do have USB-C, but you'll find the red mark here.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Lines up with our wireless charging hook.
All right, so it's magnetically
so that charges,
charged.
and it'll also charge your phone. That charges it wirelessly, and most people in a given workday, that has a 25-hour battery life with ANC turned on. So hopefully most people don't need to recharge.
I was going to say, most people aren't working 25 hours a day, so I think that handles it. Very nice, and you have a nice little case for it as well.
Yeah, this is an example of the over-ear ear cups.
Nice.
So really amazing new portfolio. Mono version, stereo, foldable and non-foldable.
Very nice. All right, we're heading over to more collaboration.
So we'll go back to the room now that it's free. So we're going to see, this is our new conference room solution. Dual camera inside and using Director AI. When people are in conference rooms, they don't tend to look just in one direction like you do when you're at home on your camera, right? In a conference room, people will look around. They'll look at the screen, maybe for the presentation. They'll look back towards somebody in the room who's speaking. What we're doing now is detecting the people in the room automatically. So you'll see this turn into 2 frames, like this. And then as people change that point of view, the camera will choose between those 2 installed cameras which one has the best view of each face at any given moment.
And all that switching is happening automatically with using AI.
Automatically using AI, nothing to configure. The other real benefit of AI is that we're simplifying that in-room experience. Nobody has to touch the console. Nobody has to change any framing modes. It just happens automatically.
Very nice.
Most people want to just focus on the conversation.
All right, let's show them what the room looks like live. If you hop in there, you can see the actual room that they're in. So you're simulating how your AI works. Very nice. And there's the camera right there in the front on the bar. Very nice. Very nice.
So that's available as a free update. We're just calling PolyOS 5.1. That'll be in market very, very soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. HP
Dimension, all right.
All right, and last but certainly not least.
Yeah, this is the thing that's garnered a lot of attention over the last 2 years.
A lot of awards. This has really been an innovation that people love to see and talk about. This is HP Dimension with Google Beam. This is the world's first fully immersive, glasses-free 3D meeting experience. You sit in that room and you just feel like you're across the table from another person, having this deep immersive conversation with them. So I know you're going to get in for a demo.
I'm going to get a demo
in a little bit. I love to just hear what people say when they come out of that room.
Yeah.
Things like mind expanding and mind blowing. It's really an incredible experience to see.
Yeah, and of course you can learn all about that at the HP and Poly website, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and we've gone around and shot individual deep dive videos on all the things we talked about today, obviously, and all the other products that they have here at the stand itself. And of course you can learn more at HP. Is it HP.com and then go to the
and find our newsroom and all of these announcements.
Everything is on the website. And of course, you can see our deep dive videos at ravepubs.com/InfoComm. Just type in HP or Poly in the video search window and you'll find all the videos. Greg, thank you very much.
Great.
Appreciate you doing this.
Thank you.
A lot more InfoComm to cover. Check out all of our coverage at ravepubs.com.